In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV Unlimited Screens costs and what it offers. YouTube TV's Unlimited Screens is an add-on feature designed for households that need more flexibility with their streaming. While YouTube TV already allows up to 3 simultaneous streams on its standard plan, the Unlimited Screens add-on removes this limit, making it perfect for larger families or situations where multiple people want to watch at the same time. As of now, this add-on costs $25 per month on top of your regular YouTube TV subscription, which starts at $72.99 per month. This means you'll be paying a total of $97.99 per month if you choose to include unlimited screens. It's important to note that this feature is only available to existing YouTube TV subscribers and cannot be purchased as a standalone service. With unlimited screens, every member of your household can enjoy their own personalized profile and stream content simultaneously without any restrictions. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost and benefits of YouTube TV Unlimited Screens, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.